What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Thanks for joining me. Today is Sunday. Yes. So still back at it. A lot of my videos, you're gonna get me, just doing the work. I do have some ideas that's gonna be coming up, but I'm out here doing the work and thought I'll share. Well, today we have a cleanup. The guys are already cleaning up. Probably won't get any footage of that. But we do have some overgrown grass, so we're gonna get some footage of that. We're gonna have to double cut it. And I got a question for you guys. When you double cut your lawns, do you charge your customers? Do you charge your clients to double cut? Personally, I do. I do charge. Got a bug on the camera. I do charge for my double cuts because it's a lot more time. I do have another yard that's semi-overgrown. I'm not going to charge that client, and the reason why is because it's not overgrown all over. It's not going to take as much time. But the other yard that's overgrown, I'm literally going to have to bag it. Yeah, I don't even know what I would be doing with the clippings if I didn't bag it. But I'm not going to charge you a bagging fee. So I am looking out in that way. So I'm off to getting the work done. Hey, hopefully you stay tuned all the way through the end, because I know sometimes we don't watch all the way through the end. We just skip around, right? Right. So hope you enjoy. All right, guys. Or should I say, all right, fam. Let's do this. All right, fam. I'm in the shop right now. I realized I hadn't changed the oil or the blades on this monster of a beast back here, my 60-inch. So I'm gonna do that before I get out and catch up with the guys. I told you my guys are already out cutting or servicing a client already. So I think it's important that I go ahead and service this bad boy. It shouldn't take long. Remember, for those people who don't know, I got my jungle jack, which makes it a whole lot easier. And if you hadn't already, I told you about my torque gun. This mug really works and it gets the job done quickly. So if you hadn't invested in those two things, I encourage you to invest in those two things because it does help changing the blades out. And also I got this thingamajig right here. Yeah, that's my Oregon blade sharpener. Hopefully you got it. Let me see. Yep, yeah boy, you got it. All right, so I'm about to get that done, and keep following me. One hand, baby. All right, fam. Remember when I said that this deck never got grass caught up on it? Well, the story has changed. See all that? Woo! All that wet grass. Now, I didn't get it kitchen clean. No, cause I'm about to go cut some more. I ain't get it kitchen clean. But I got it guy clean, if you know what I'm saying. Like if you was in high school, middle school, how your room look, you know what I'm saying? It's clean, but it really ain't clean because you done sweep everything underneath your bed. That's the type of clean this is right here. So I'm gonna clean this up, put the blades on. All right, see you in a sec. Cut on. Fellas, bam, cut myself on this doggone thing here. Going too fast. Cut a hole right through my doggone glove. Ooh, it shaved it good. Yeah! So my lovely wife is going to doctor me up. And guys, it seared it. It's not even bleeding. It burned the finger where it kept it from bleeding. That's how hot it was when it got me.
You really don't need anything on it.
Well, I'm just trying to put a band-aid because I'm going back at it. I don't want to get infected.
Found one that'll fit.
Can't wrap the finger?
You mean wrap it? In what, like gauze?
No, just what's that?
Yeah.
So she came out on the quickness. And she doctoring me up, guys. Oh yeah.
I love these bandages.
Get it tight.
You don't want to cut your circulation off.
I feel like it's gonna come off.
It's not gonna come off. It's
You gonna
waterproof.
kiss it? Make it better.
Don't get me on the camera kissing your finger.
We're gonna kiss it to make it better, y'all. This is myself taking precaution. I put the glove on, so I don't play around. But it missed the pad and got right on the side of that. All right, I'm back at it. No quit, no surrender, baby. That's how we do. Oh my God, help me. All right, I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna get it. All right, fam, I'm at my first house today. It's a quick cut. No pun intended. I completed this one right here. All nice and fresh. Look at the edge. Okay, it's really hot, guys. It's really humid out now. Glad we got some sun, but it is kind of smoking, you know. So, as always, hey, stay hydrated. Get you plenty of water. I'm on to the next one. Cutting out. All right, I'm at my next property, fam. And it's a little overgrown, but it's not too bad. It's a small yard. Should knock it out real easy. I'm gonna have to get my walk behind and go inside the fence back here. You know, back there. So, I'll let you see the finished product. All right, fam, I'm cutting on. Got a yard here. It's overgrown, as you can see. I think about what I'm gonna do is double cut it, and then I'm gonna have to bag it. So I want y'all to take a look at it. fam, got another double cut. Just picked them up today. Basically, they said that their line guy didn't show up. That's it. Didn't show up, do the job. Didn't communicate, didn't do anything. So remember, a lot of times to get your client, all you need to do is be in place. Because some people just don't show up to do the work. All right, we about to cut on. All right, fam, we finished with this one. It was overgrown, but we cut it down. I had to double cut it. It's a lot of clippings. All right, fam, we got 2 more. Look like it's about to rain. It's a new client, and we trying to get it done. We gonna try to make it. All right, lawn care family, we got a lot of double cuts today. So we got another one. And y'all gonna be able to take a look at the before and after. I'm gonna go around back. You'll see it. All right, Curtis, you saw it, even though y'all hadn't subscribed to me yet, but it's good though, so y'all will. I'm about to clean it up, Curtis. About to clean it up still. Y'all ain't the only tall grass masters out there. All right, fam, we knocked it out. You know how we do. Hold up, don't let it up. Hey, don't let it up. Knocked it out. Clean up. Clean up. We did a clean up. So let's take a trip down memory lane. It was overgrown. I do a lot of weed eating too. All right. This was in the book, fellas. All right. Yeah. 8 today. Nice size yards. And I got like 10,000 and 15,000 square feet a lot of times we mowing. So it's done. Little man crying over here. All right. All right, lawn care family. Easy like Sunday morning, turn into smooth Sunday night. It's over for me, guys. Worked pretty long today. Feeling pretty good too, guys. I know that a lot of times when you are going out, especially if you got a full-time job like I have, it takes you a little time to get back into the swing of things. I still feel strong, you know what I'm saying? So I want to appreciate you guys for, viewing the video. Please like, please subscribe. And if you want to see other videos, as soon as I drop them, hit the bell and we'll make sure the videos get to you. So, as always, fam, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. And I'm cutting out. Peace.